In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your IP address on WhatsApp, a simple but powerful way to boost your privacy. By doing this, you can prevent others, especially malicious actors, from tracking your location or identifying your internet service provider. Here's how to do it. Open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the three dots on the top right. Tap the settings icon. Go to Privacy. Scroll down to find the Advanced option. Enable Protect IP address. Once this setting is turned on, your IP address will be hidden during WhatsApp calls. This adds an extra layer of security, especially if you're concerned about privacy or online tracking. And that's it. It's really that easy to hide your IP address on WhatsApp.